Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a closer look at the RED Solution C300, a steam iron designed to bring convenience, efficiency and modern functionality to everyday garment care. Let's be honest, ironing isn't usually anyone's favorite household task. That's why features that save time and simplify the process can make a huge difference. The RED Solution C300 aims to do exactly that. The first thing that stands out is its modern design. The iron feels sleek, practical, and comfortable to hold. The ergonomic handle is designed to provide a secure grip, helping reduce fatigue during longer ironing sessions. One of the most interesting features is the automatic cord rewind system. Instead of manually wrapping the cord after each use, the mechanism helps keep storage quick and convenient. It's a small detail but one that many users will appreciate in everyday life. Performance is another important area. The steam system is designed to help smooth wrinkles efficiently across different fabric types. Whether you're ironing shirts, trousers, dresses, or household textiles, consistent steam distribution can make the process faster and more effective. Fast heating is another advantage. Nobody wants to spend unnecessary time waiting for an iron to reach the desired temperature. The C300 is built for convenience, helping users start their ironing routine quickly. The control system is intuitive and beginner-friendly, making it suitable for both experienced users and those who simply want reliable everyday performance. Overall, the RED Solution C300 combines practical features, modern design and user-focused convenience. The powerful steam capabilities and automatic cord rewind function help it stand out from many traditional irons on the market. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and tell us which household appliance you'd like to see reviewed next. See you in the next video.